Greeting ones and ones. Wait, when if my daughter do the right thing? Because this place look more like a funeral parlor than a wedding facility.
Well, King, it's against tradition. I don't know whose tradition, but it's against tradition to decorate the place apparently.
But I always thought Negroes and Chinese were amongst the most festive people.
Anthony, I'll be in the car.
Well, at least you're not wearing full white, because that would be the Chinese color of mourning. How you doing, my friend? Good to see you again.
You too.
Huh. My new son-in-law to be. How you doing, sir?
Good. You?
Clean up well. Yes, I am fine.
Looking very sharp yourself, man.
Thank you. You know you need to do the right thing, though.
Yeah, man. I intend to. Listen.
Let me have a seat here. Ha! Glad you decided to make it, man.
Bigger boss, my phone a reason.
Is that so?
You know any time I'm for this one.
Alright.
One king. Long live the king.
That is it.
Really glad you decided to forward it. And, oh, sister, you take care of the problem over so.
You know we have fixed thing, king, man.
Yes.
One king set the line up.
Right, bless you. Bless you.
I'll go and pass there, you.
Yeah.
Just remember how you talk about it.
Think about man.
You gotta take care of that, man.
I have to ask her, brother.
So it look sharp, though.
Respect, man. So you full black there? Really?
One king, man.
City, man.
Masu?
What?
Hello?
Jay,
Yeah?
please don't get upset. Alright, but the pastor missed him flight. Hello?
Yes, that's done. Alright, me nah make it, you know, so me nah make this get to me. Me go make, cause right now all my nails no do, so the wedding must go on. Me nah make nothing stop it. I have somebody in my phone, me go see, me go try my luck, me go see what can go on for me.
Alright, babe.
But the wedding must go on. Me nah make nothing stop it again. I swear. Or me change my vibe or nothing. Just alright?
Alright, babe.
Cool.